We're checking out today some solar street lights. This is a 2-pack. Opening up the package, showing you how it's installed and what's inside the box. In the kit, you get 2 long screws and anchors and 2 short screws that go on to the base of the pole at the bottom to lock into place. With the correct angle, you're going to slide in the hole facing the top and the bottom. Push in forward. Grab your screw, place on top, with a screwdriver supplied by yourself, lock down. Turn on over and repeat for the other one. With the remote control, open the clip, place in your own 2 AAA batteries. You need 4. Both remote controls, one will work both lights or both separately. Put one in the front, one in the back, wherever near each of the units. AAAs simply go in and close the door like so. And then to turn on, you come over to the light, press the on button, and then you could go off and on 25, 50, 75, 100%. Put your timer on from 2, 3, 5, 6, 8 hours, and then the PIR sensor will shut off. Pick a spot you want to put your light up to 10 feet or higher, depending where you want to go. Put your screw on. Find a spot. No electricity is needed. Lock into place. Allow it to collect sun before turning on. We have the street light. It's lit up. You have 25%, 50%, should be 75 or 100%. Then you have the timer, and then you have the PIR sensor. So after so many seconds, the PIR sensor will go off. You're looking to light up your area, dusk to dawn, from 25 through 100%. Your solar street lights, 2-pack. I hope you enjoy your product, if this is right for you. So as the light dim down and you walk, it ascends, depending on the brightness levels you have them on. Hang them up 10 feet plus, and you have a nice distance with the remote controls. You get near. Set it to the timer of 2, 3, so many hours. Say you set for 5 hours, come back the next night, it'll go on for 5 hours again. The backlight motion will go on. Enjoy your products, if these are right for you.